how to allow or deny smart home control when you use voice wake up on the lock screen with response to my voice on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Next, tap on Bixby. Then we go down and then tap on use while locked. So tap on the left hand side panel. In here, go down and tap on allow smart home control. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on allow smart home control. Now you may need to turn on use while locked. So switch it on so that you can make changes to allow smart home control. If this is off, then these two items are disabled. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.